నా కడలి కరటంలో ఓ మౌన రాగం నువ్వేలే.
హలో అండి, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ భారతి గుంటూరు బ్లాగ్స్. నిన్న పెట్టిన వీడియోలో చెప్పాను కదా సెంట్రల్ జైల్ వీడియోస్ పెడతానని. ఆ వీడియో ఇదేనమాట. చూసేయండి. వాళ్ళైతే ఫుల్గా గైడెన్స్ బాగా ఇచ్చారనమాట. ఇంకా రండి సెంట్రల్ జైల్లోకి వెళ్దాం. ఇంకా గైడెన్స్ బాగా ఇస్తున్నారు కదా, మనకన్నా వాళ్ళే బాగా చెప్తారు. అందుకని చెప్పేసి వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది వినేసేయండి, బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఉంటాను, బాయ్.
Dark lake shows it. On your right side is green color glass building. It is bar for discotheque set. Recently DJ Tillu, second part shooting was done. So anyone seen jail? Anyone seen jail? Anyone been to jail? No. So now we are going to jail. Welcome to Ramoji Central Jail. तेरे नाम Christian Rockstar Triple R, Nene Raju, Nene Mantri, CID Musa DJ 2020. So recently Rajinikanth Jailer movie. Indian Police Force Rohit Shetty series. On the right side you can see interrogation change, final judgment and game. During shooting time, these dummies will be replaced by real actors. On your right side, it's an original right hand side. तेरे नाम Salman Khan Mental Hospital. तेरे नाम Salman Mental Hospital. On your right side. Left side, Drishyam Police Station. Body hiding scene. Drishyam Police Station. Body hiding scene. So recent release Prabhas movie Salar. Salar movie can see this place. Jawan movie can see this place. Shah Rukh Khan Jawan movie. Leo movie also can see this place. So now on your left side also in left hand side you can see left side pen picture. It's the Kanjiguda relation replica. Hyderabad Kanjiguda relation replica. Chennai Express Lungi dance. Song was shot here. Back side village, front side city. City side next bus will be there. They will take you to Bahubali for your connecting bus. On your right hand side also in the right side you can see Sahas, Asia's finest adventure park. You can see adventure activities are done here. You can see Asia's finest adventure park. For adults 5 complimentary activities are there. For kids 4 complimentary activities are there. Complimentary means free. You can enjoy Sahas adventure. After Bahubali you will be dropped at Chandramukhi. Get on your right side. After Chandramukhi set you will walk and go to Sahas. If you don't want to do adventure activity, you can go to the bus at the entrance. They will take you to next location, London Princess Street, foreign location. So now see on your right and left. Also on your right and left, these big buildings you can see. These are big shooting floor. Inside this temporary sets will be made and indoor shooting will be done. So Bahubali waterfall scene, do you remember? Bahubali waterfall scene, whole scene was shot inside this building only. And Pushpa famous item song, Go Antava Mama, also shot here. Chambak Challo song from Ravan, Shivaji the Boss, Vaji song. Robo 1, Robo 2, KGF 1, KGF 2, Pushpa. So recently Pushpa 2 shooting was done here. So total 10 big shooting floors are there, all are AC floors. Jailer Kavala song also you can see this place. So if you want to have lunch, have it in Bahubali itself. Bahubali have a restaurant, Bahubali Darbar restaurant. That's the last restaurant in the tour. After Bahubali you have 2.5 hour tour will be there. So if you are not having there, you will be missing the lunch because all the restaurant will be closed by 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is the closing time of restaurant. Bahubali have a restaurant. 12:30 restaurant will be open for lunch. Yeah. And everywhere snacks kiosk will be there. Don't worry about snacks for lunch only. Timing for the restaurant. So now we are going to drop at Bhagavatam. It's a mythological set, Mahabharata set. So here you can experience how set works are done inside these big shooting floor. So this is for your experience only. So this left side you can see, this left side is the entry. 5 minutes walk, exit you have railway station. Railway station, city side, next bus will be there. They'll take you to Bahubali. 5 minute walk.